Hey guys, this is Alex with OttoEx. Today it's a beautiful late spring day and I have another really neat car. So at first glance this may just appear to you like a normal early 90s Camry, and technically it is. It's a 1993 Toyota Camry, but this is a right-hand drive JDM Camry, and it's got a few things that make it really special. First of all, this has a full-time four-wheel drive system. It's the badges on the side of the car remind you that it's four-wheel drive. It's also powered by a 2-liter 16-valve 4-cylinder engine. Unlike the 3.0, the V6 that was offered in the Camry here, this has a much more fuel economical yet reliable and simple engine. We never got this engine in the Camrys that were available here stateside, so it's a pretty neat and little unique package. So we're giving you a walk around. This only has 63,000 original kilometers. So that's right around 40,000 miles original. It's a very lightly used vehicle in Japan. It drives wonderfully. It's very comfortable. I've been driving this around and it's just a real pleasure to drive. The AC is super quiet, keeps the cabin comfortable. The seats just hold you in the right position, and it's a very smooth trip down the road. So let's take a look inside. This has a very nice gray black cloth interior, which is essentially untouched. And the paint is that beautiful white, Toyota white 040. Shines wonderfully. Let's step in the back and give you a look here at the seats. Come with these lovely JDM seat covers. Lace, just like the taxi cabs in Japan, as I'm sure many of you guys know. They all have these. Now, sitting back here, I've got plenty of leg room. I have pretty long legs, so space-wise, very comfortable, very quiet. Give you a look of the headliner. So here we have the center console and ashtray. We've got 5-speed floor shift. Shifts wonderfully. Very comfortable to drive. Very fun, actually. There's your cockpit. Climate control, tape deck, FM, AM radio works beautifully. AC blows cold. Here's your cluster. The dash is crack-free. Now even these sun visors still have the original factory plastic on it from the factory left and right. That's something that we sometimes see from Japan. They just like to keep the plastic on, keep it new, keep it nice, which is cool to see. It is. Okay, let's get up front. Door cards are in great shape all around. Step up front, start the engine. Okay, go. Toyota key. Starts right up. AC is blowing cold already. Very comfortable. Some light jazz for you guys. Down here we've got some coin holders, center storage, more storage here, cup holders here, ashtray as you guessed, and then over here we have an auto down driver window. Window lock, door lock, and all of your power windows for the other doors. So retracting the mirrors is like this. Super handy for those tight Japanese parking spots, or just to look cool. Let's take a step outside. So anyways, that's the 1993 Toyota Camry 2.0 Lumiere package. Very cool car. It's now for sale in Portland, Oregon. Check out our website, OttoEx.com, OTTOEX, if you're interested in this or any other cool Japanese car. We love them. We take care of them. We bring them in for you guys to enjoy. Thanks for watching. This is Alex signing out. See you guys next time.